Hey guys, we're back. I'm back on YouTube. Sorry I haven't been uploading for so long. Like now we have a different topic now, Rubik's cubes. And now this is a tutorial of one. So I'm gonna teach you how. So basically, I'm gonna teach you how to solve one of these. So if you have a scrambled Rubik's cube on your shelf, go pick it up. And this is the video for you. And you don't know how to solve it? Well, this is the video for you. First, what you're gonna want to do is make the daisy. So basically, find white edges and find the yellow center. Put them around the yellow center. Find all the white edges and put them around the yellow center. Now, once you have that done, it should look like a daisy. Now, what you're gonna want to do is look at the other colors of the white pieces. This one's green. This one's green. So we're gonna move it over to the green center. Then turn the front twice. Now we just do that for all the others. Put it here, front twice. Put it here, front twice. Here, front twice. Now you have a white cross. That's basically the first step. That's basically the first step if you don't want to do the daisy. Okay. Now, what you're gonna want to do is now solve the first layer. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to teach you this move. It's very important. It's very important if you for all the like memorize for like the stuff I'm gonna make you memorize. You're gonna need this. With your right hand, do this. With your left hand, do this. So basically, yeah. Okay, so now what we're gonna want to do is move it on, is find the white corner, look at the other colors of it, put it on top of where it needs to be. Then do what I taught you earlier. Until it's like that. Yeah, so we're gonna do it all with all corners. Put that on top of there. Right hand. Put it on top of there. Fast to make it faster. Left hand. Put it on top of there. Right hand. And there you go. You've solved your first layer. Okay, so now what we're gonna want to do is the second layer. So find an edge that doesn't have any yellow on it. So I found an edge here which is red and green. I'm gonna look at which color is facing you and turn it until it matches its own color. Then what we're gonna want to do is put that edge, that same edge, on the opposite to the opposite color of the edge on top of the color on top. So we're gonna do it, put it to orange since orange is the opposite of red. Then we're gonna do the moves I taught you earlier. First, if this one is going to the right side, first do your left. Then now what you're gonna want to do is to rotate it to the left and do it and do the same thing but for the right hand. And basically just do it for all like the edge spaces. But if the opposite color is on the left, do your right hand first, then the left. First, you have a dot. When you have a dot, you're gonna do this. First, move the front layer like this, then do the thing I taught you for the right. Then do this. Now, once you have an L shape, if you have an L shape like this, turn it twice so that that L shape can be in the top left corner. Then do this. Now you have a line. Don't do it from here, but do it from here. Then do the same thing. Okay, now we have the yellow cross. Okay, if you only have one, if there's none, just do this. Then then just move the top. If there's only we have to have one only, not two, not three, but one. We only need one. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is, with the one that's aligned with its color facing you, you do this. And if the colors are still not aligned, do it again. And now all the colors are aligned. You will see if there's we're gonna have to look for corners that are in their correct spot. We only need one, not two. Okay. This one's not correct. This one's not correct. This one's not correct. This one's not correct. This one is correct. Even if the corner is twisted, if it looks like that, it's still okay. It's still okay. Yeah. Just if you don't have, then just do. If you don't have any, just do this move. Then you'll get one. Then put it in front of you again. Then do this. Then do that move. But if you do that move and there's still no colors that are, if the corners are still not in their correct spot, that's okay. Just do it again. And now when there are colors in their spot, okay, first thing we're gonna do is rotate the cube so that the yellow is on the bottom. Then we're gonna do the right thing until this corner is now with the yellow. This may look messed up, but it's okay. Don't rotate the whole cube. Just turn the down layer until it's now in the correct spot. Now just do that for all corners until they're all now here. And just now that, and there you go. You've solved your first Rubik's Cube.